How do I share my inventories to additional teams? To share an inventory, you must be an owner of the team that has the inventory you would like to share. First, navigate to the selected inventory by clicking on the Inventories tab, Items, and then selecting the inventory by checking the box. A toolbar will appear at the bottom, including the options to share. Click that button. If you would like to share the inventory with all of the teams, current ones and ones that will be created in the future, click the box for all teams. However, if you would like to share with specific teams, select only the teams you'd like to share the inventory with. Then select whether you want to give the teams permissions to edit. This means they can add new items, edit current items, and manage the columns. If you give them view-only permissions, they cannot edit the items, but can still assign them to the task and consume the stock if applicable. Once finished, click Save Sharing Options. The inventory that you just shared will say Yes under the Shared column and will have a shared icon in front of the inventory name. The team that you shared the inventory with will also have an icon in front of the inventory name, like this one. You can see who owns this inventory by viewing the Owned By column. If the inventory was shared to your team with view-only permissions, there will be an eye in the corner of the shared icon inside the inventory. If the inventory was shared with editing permissions, that icon will include a pencil. Inventories can be shared and unshared, and have their permissions changed at any time. Just keep in mind that if you unshare an inventory, any items that are assigned to this task will be unlinked and cannot be reversed. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to reach out.